if the border lights are not working on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now, if you're trying to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, but if it is showing the old animation and if it is not showing the new animation, which are the gradient lights around the borders of the screen, you must have an iPhone from iPhone 15 or later, and the iOS version must be iOS 18 or later. Now after you do that, then just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And from here just enable the toggle for Apple Intelligence. Now just wait for a few seconds for Apple Intelligence to download. And if it is your first time enabling Apple Intelligence, it will not show the toggle over here. It will show a blue text which says Enable Apple Intelligence or something like that. So just tap on the blue text to enable Apple Intelligence. Now after you have done that, then tap on Talk and type to Siri. Now if it is on off, just select Hey Siri. But if it is already on Hey Siri, just select off, then enable Hey Siri. Just like that, just tap on off and select Hey Siri. Now just set up Hey Siri by saying the following sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done. Now after you do that, you will be able to enable Apple Intelligence by just saying Hey Siri. Now as you can see, the border lights or the new Siri animation is working on our iPhone. But if you have done that and if Siri is still not working on your iPhone, then just go back and in the main settings page, just tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on iPhone storage, and from here just check the storage of your iPhone. Now if the storage is full on your iPhone, Apple Intelligence will not be able to download its data on your iPhone. So just make sure you make some space on your iPhone by deleting any apps which you no longer use, or you can upload all your photos and videos to the iCloud, and you can delete the photos and videos from your iPhone. Now after you free up some storage, Apple Intelligence will be able to download its data on your iPhone, and the border lights or the new Siri animation will start working on your iPhone. But if this also did not work, then just go back and tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check the software update of your iPhone. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. Now after you do that, then just go back and under the general settings, just tap on language and region. Now just tap on the region, and in the region section, just make sure you select United Kingdom or United States. Now after you change the region to United Kingdom or United States, then go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now after the force restart process is completed, now if you press and hold the side button or if you just say Hey Siri, you will enable the border lights or the new Siri animation, just like that. Hey Siri. And this is how you can fix the iPhone border lights are not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.